This is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at Remax by the Lake, and we have another super home to show you today. We're at 2890 Yuma. It's actually in my neighborhood, about 5 minutes to the Havasu Riviera launch ramp, and just a great quiet street. No traffic, so to speak, on this street, unless it's somebody that lives here. But before we go inside, take a look at my drone. We're gonna put it up and fly it around and let you see from above, and then we'll go take a look inside. Welcome inside. I really like this home, a later model home, tile roof, and it's been updated really nicely inside. For the money, man, if you would have bought this at the end of COVID in like 2022 spring, it would have been at least 50,000 more. And let's look around here. Kitchen, they've redone the countertops. Look at that beautiful, I don't know if that's quartz, but gorgeous, and the backsplash. Really an excellent cosmetic shape. And you can see, you look out the back window and they have the sunshades down, but you look over the pool and spa. Recessed lighting, and you'll notice all the fixtures in the house are really nicely upgraded. We'll take you through the master end first. And it has a nice slider out, and I don't know if you're gonna pick it up. Sorry, the view took me aback right there. It's really the first time I really noticed it to that degree. Gorgeous mountain view. You don't see the lake, but the wall is placed perfectly where you don't see the neighbors, but you see the mountains. And that's a nice exit out there to the backyard pool area. Again, they've upgraded the counters in the bathrooms. As you can see here, double sink vanity. And he used the shower this morning, so it's a little dirty there, but beautiful tile work in the shower for a home in this price range in particular. Notice the beautiful flooring, and it wouldn't be a Lewis team listing unless I said Closet Envy, because they do have a nice size walk-in closet. And let's go look at the other, even little things like this door here. Not standard. And I bet before we get to the other wing of the home, it does look like an oversized window on the front. Not much view there, but it looks out over your courtyard. So the second and third bedrooms on the opposite end. So you have a split bedroom floor plan. I actually own one of those ceiling fans. I believe they're from Costco, but really neat modern look. Puts off a lot of breeze as well, and very quiet. Mirrored closet doors. Second bathroom, a little more original, but it does have, it looks like a low flow modern toilet. Nice shower tub. And very clean. Look at that, a Nest thermostat for a smart home. So, third bedroom here looks out over the pool. modern ceiling fan light as well. We'll go take a look at the garage. And if you're a homeowner in Lake Havasu City, while we're walking over this way, cut here and look at the modern laundry room with natural lighting and recessed lighting. If you'd like to know what your home would sell for in today's market, reach out to me and Julie anytime. I always put down in the comments a link where you can put your address in, and we'll give you we'll create. It's not just electronic. We create it, and we'll send you a detailed report using recent sales from your neighborhood, our expert knowledge, and it won't just be like what you get on Zillow, because Zillow is notoriously inaccurate in Lake Havasu because homes are so varied on every street. Well, here's the garage. Great size garage, epoxy floors, and if you live in Lake Havasu now, you'll appreciate the mini split air conditioning. That's a huge win here in the summer. And out back, something they've told me about. Oh, I have that door. Oh, no, here it's open. Oh, nope, locked. But out back through the screen there, they've poured a huge slab because they were thinking about putting a rear roll-up door, like a garage door here, and then you'd have all that additional parking out back there. Now it's storage, but a terrific garage. Looks like taller 8-foot doors, boat deep bay, and not just a narrow bay, but wide enough actually to get your boat back there, and then good sized 2-car garage. Well, last but not least, let's go take a look at the backyard. And I do remember here, fantastic mountain views out back, particularly in this price range. So first off, good size, covered patio area. See lots of attention to detail. Look, the high-end block walls and all these pavers. The pool is heated, propane heat, and their fence here, their privacy fence here, actually, the property line typically goes to where the power pole is, and the next wall, they've left it back from the easement, which is the correct way to do it, but their property line does go back further. And look at this beautiful pool. And before we finish up here, I'm going to peek over the fence here so you can see that additional parking area if you ever put a garage door on the back of the garage where you could drive through. And that'll give you a good look there. A lot of room back there for storage. Well, this is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team at RE/MAX by the Lake. Julie and I, and our new Julie on the team, Julie Pouget, not new to real estate, but new to our team. We've known her a long time. Any of us would love to show you this home or any other home in Lake Havasu City. Look at those views, gorgeous. We hope to see you here soon. If you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel up and helps our sellers out. And it benefits you because if you like seeing these homes, they'll show up in your feed more often. We hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you in paradise next time you're here. Bye.